The volcano in Iceland has made a lot of activity tonight. Lots of lava flooding the Meradalir Valley is practically looking like a landscape on the Venus. A viewer was telling that, probably sending messages that to the Venus that this is the future. I'm creating it. Veniforming, as they call it. Now, anyway, we have the fountains here. It's a very dynamic situation. As I predicted today, the shifting in the rocks, they're extending the crust of the earth in this area. And the earthquake says to us that this is going to happen. A few hours ago, I posted another video which showed that earthquake seismic activity. So the lava is rising. It's the product of the seismic activity. At the same time, when it is rising, also it creates those earthquakes also. So, and when it reaches the surface, it has a lot of waters. Don't be surprised. Volatiles are part of the earth. Earth is a big reservoir of the water itself. It's in the crystalline structure of the minerals. We have it here, you see.